Looking for maximum protection with Victoria's ever-changing weather? Well, look no further. This is the Fletcher's Pink Batts R6 range. Up to 35% of your home's heat can escape straight through the roof. That's where the R6 Pink Batts make a huge difference. These bats are 250mm thick, made from glass wool with recycled content, and rated to the highest standard for residential ceilings in Australia. Think of these bats as a puffer jacket for your home, locking in warmth through winter and pushing summer heat back out. When they're fitted snugly between every joist with no gaps, you get maximum thermal performance and a noticeable lift in comfort. The R6 Pink Batts 430 wide cover 2.99 square meters and are just $42.50 per pack. The Pink Batts R6 580 wide covers 4.04 square meters and are just $56 per pack. Order online and pick up from our Epping distribution centre, or we can deliver straight to your site.